What's up, guys? All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys the part that I picked up and finished putting the car together, and we have finally reassembled and rebuilt, like these other YouTubers, a crashed 1995 Honda Civic with 250,000 miles. Here we have a fender. It's not bad. It's a lot better than our fender. Our fender is like buckled in a bunch of places. I don't know if it's OEM or not, but it's straight and we're gonna make it work. And we're gonna wash it after we put it on the car because that just makes no sense and I like it that way. And the main piece to the puzzle, we have a headlight and corner light for the passenger side. Guy gave me these harnesses. Pretty cool guy. He didn't have the other side. Well, he did. He had like one of the sides, and he wanted 20 bucks. And to me, it's not worth paying that much for it. So we have another headlight, and we can finally finish reassembling our front end and put an end to this part of the series. So let's get right to it. just like that, we got the Civic all done. So the front end lines up like straight crap, but it looks all right. So this side, this fender wasn't messed up at all. So there's like some gap here, but not a big deal. This bumper has like some fiberglass stuff, so man, my hands are ashy, but I just put a zip tie, and as you can tell, the line of the bumper goes kind of into where the car was hit. So I picked up another OEM rat support just so I could get a better fitment on the car, because this just looks horrendous. So on this side, you can see better here. Look at this gap right here. The headlight is going down. It's supposed to be a little bit higher here. This turn signal actually lined up a lot better, but look at the bumper. Again, you also got to consider that it's on by a zip tie, and it's not, doesn't have like even if I tap it there, look how the gap is. Eventually I'm gonna have to get a new bumper and put in the new rat support, but for the time being, we gotta cruise. So I'm gonna be the worst car there anyway. So with that being said, thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.